Make them animated.
Yeah, he's hungry.
Hey, caught that in the air.
There he is. Oh, look at him. He saw us coming.
I think the Giants need him.
He's pretty good.
Well,
No? Well, you don't need to throw like that. He found it, though. Well, it sure is pretty here. What's the name of this beach?
Duncan's Cove.
Duncan's Cove, okay.
This is tea, not beer.
Okay, that's good. Happy birthday.
I'm driving.
That's right. There it is. Show him what you're drinking. Arizona iced tea. Okay, he wants more. Oh, he wants more. There you are. Oh yeah, he knows an easy target.